Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Boy from the Friday Night Funkin mod Twinsomnia. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head with a circle. Next, inside, let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve over to the right for the top of the mouth. Next, let's draw 5 angled lines inside for the teeth. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's start inside on the right and let's draw an angled line in. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath. Now for the left eye, let's add an angle down here. And then bring it up at the end, like a backwards check mark. And then a curve underneath for the eye. This one's going to be a little bit more circular. Next, let's add the rectangular pieces of hair all the way around the head. Let's start on the right side and we're going to draw a short one over here. Now a slightly longer one above it. And then move up to the top and a longer one again. And 4 more curved pieces going down on the left. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start under the head on the right and let's draw a bent line down like this. And then move back up on the left side and let's draw a small curve. Now from the right side, let's draw a large S-shaped curve over and past like this. Now let's draw the left arm. From the top line, let's continue it down on an angle. And now inside, let's draw a short diagonal line. And then a curve across for his sleeve. Now let's draw the top of the forearm. Let's draw a curve up and angle it down. And the bottom of the arm with a curve. Now let's add the hand at the end with a rectangle shape. Now let's finish off his torso. From under the armpit, let's draw a curve down to the hand. And then a curve at the bottom for the bottom of his shirt. Let's draw the shorts next. From the bottom of the shirt, let's draw angles out on both sides. Now from the left side, let's draw a curve in, stopping about halfway. And then another diagonal line for the other side. And then a curve to close off the other side of the shorts. Next, inside the shorts, let's draw a triangle shape outwards for the shadow. Now let's hop back up and let's draw the other arm. From the bottom right of the face, let's draw a diagonal line down. Then bring it back in. And one more point at the bottom for the hand. Now inside at the top, let's draw the bottom of the sleeve with the curve. And then one more curve inside at the elbow. Lastly, let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath the left short leg, let's draw a line down here, and then an angled line on the left. Now underneath the left side, let's draw a curve, and then one more under on the right. And then one line out on the left of the foot. Now let's draw the right foot. Underneath, let's draw a bent line like this. And then one on the right. And then two curves at the bottom of the ground to close it off. And lastly, at the top of each foot, let's draw a diagonal line for the shadow. And that's it for the boy. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!